Stop. Are you wondering why your business is not getting enough customers? Here are the types of competitors you have in your business today. Direct competitors. These are the types of businesses or service provider that offers the same service or similar service, and they also target the same customer as your business is doing. Indirect competitors. These are businesses in the same category or niche that you are, but sell different products and services, but they are still solving the same problem as you are solving. Replacement competitors. These are businesses that offer alternative products and services to the one that you offer. Examples of direct competitors in the finance industry: banks, GTB, First Bank, UBA, Zenith Bank. Example of indirect competitors: Opay, Palmpay, Kuda, Moneypoint. Examples of direct competitors are malls, stores, and the indirect competitors in that aspect are the Amazon, the Jumia, the Konga, and lots more. Examples of direct services for food industries are the hotel kitchens. Various hotels has various food in their kitchens, and the indirect are the fast food such as Tantalizer, Sweet Sensation. Replacement for fintech are examples of apps on Jumia or apps that are offering services to pay your transport. They can offer services for you to pay your bills, but they are not directly banks. Examples for the food industry or the food service industry, and you can see a very solid case of Jumia Foods. Examples of direct competitors are Pepsi and Coca-Cola, Apple and Android. Example of direct competitors are like our TV stations, channels, OGTV, NTA, AIT, and many more. Example of indirect competitors are DSTV, GoTV, StarTimes. Example of replacements are Netflix, Prime Video, and Hulu.